What's up, babies? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so this is going to be a voiceover today because I did this a while ago and I was like, should I record this? And I decided to, and I'm glad I did because I love the color that this turned out. So I actually got inspired by Arnell, one of the twin sisters on YouTube. I don't know her exact channel, but it'll be listed down below the video. This like pastel blue color she did on this wig, and I was like, I want that color. So I bought the two dyes that she told me I needed, and girl, it did not end up turning the same color blue. So I'm like, what the heck? I did it way too dark, but I actually like the way it turned out. It kind of looks ombre, like from light to dark blue. So I ain't even mad at it, sis. I used Periwinkle and I think Sky Blue from Adore, and just did the watercoloring method with this 613 hair. And just a little sneak peek, because I believe by next year I want to start doing wigs and hair and everything like that. And I need to get my vendors right. I need to test some hair. I would never put out garbage. That ain't it, sis. So I just have to test, you know what I'm saying? Test what's up, buy some hair, see how it work out, you know, dye it, bleach it, see what's going on. So this is one of those like wigs that I'm just kind of testing, and the lace and everything is actually really nice. So I wasn't mad at it, but I don't know if I would sell it myself because it ain't like Beats by Deb Cosmetics like nice, you feel me? So we're gonna keep testing, but this hair is not that bad. So I'm just watercoloring it, you know what I'm saying? Just dipping it in. I did use like one full bottle of Sky Blue and then sprinkled some Periwinkle, because the Periwinkle color is more like purpley lavender. So to cancel out, like Arnell said, to cancel out the green that would be in the hair, you know, because like sis 13 hair is real yellow, and if you just add blue on top, it could turn green real fast. And you can see here, like I didn't even get like all the parts of the hair. So you want to make sure that you put the colors back in there, because you know the hair is just gonna soak up all the color. So you need to keep putting color in, keep dipping it, like dip it until the entire wig is like fully coated. You don't want no patches of blonde or anything, so make sure that you're slushing it around, sis. After that's all good and dipped, yes ma'am, I'm coming at you with the ball cap with the wig cap on, sis, or whatever. So I did pluck this hairline some, but I didn't really show it. I was just kind of plucking away. I don't know, I'm not an expert yet with that. But I did pluck it somewhat and just added some powder on the inside, and it looked good. Like I was like, oh, okay, sis, period. I mean, like I'm not no hairstylist, like no wig expert or nothing like that, but I wasn't even mad at it, you feel me? So yeah, I added some foundation powder on the inside of the wig and on my wig cap. I didn't do like the wig cap method or anything, because I'm not going to be having this wig on for long, but I did want to do like a look or two in it. So I'm like, yeah, we're going to add the glue though. Just because I feel like when you use the lace glue, it really melts the lace in, and I wanted this colored wig to be snatched. Like I didn't want it to be just like a hat sitting on my head. Like I want it to be melty, you feel me? So we did use some this is the I think it's like the Ghost Bond glue, I'm not sure, but I will put it in the description below. It's one of those lace glues. Actually I got this one offline. The Bold Hold, that's what it is. Bold Hold, honey, okay? And it really was doing something for me. I'm like, okay, scalp, you feel me? But here you can see, like, it kind of, like, I don't know. Look, I'm not a wig expert. We just trying things out, okay? So I'm like, okay, to cover that lace up, because it looks good from the side, and then we look in the front, it's like, I can see all of that, sis. What's happening? You feel me? What am I doing wrong? Someone help! You feel me? But it's okay, like, trial and error, you know? So I'm like, it's okay. We're going to cover it up with baby hairs. I'm not even mad at it, you feel me? Cut them boys up, cut them up. And then I just got my mousse and just baby hair the crap out of this wig, and honestly it looked good, honey. So yeah, I'm just gonna add my baby hair, swoop my baby hair, honey. Okay, swoop it out. When I do my baby hairs, I love to just tie them down for a few minutes just to make sure everything is melted. And when you take off your head wrap, it will be like kind of stuck, you know what I'm saying? So I just like to go back over it with a comb, So it looks, I mean, obviously blue isn't natural, but you know, it looks more like hair and not like I just slick down the hair on my head, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going back over it, and period, poo, you feel me? I did decide to do my makeup too. I was like, I mean, I'm gonna take some pictures, so I want to look cute or whatever. And y'all, this is where things got very weird. I am going to attempt some blue brows. I mean, I know I can do them. It's just like, will this look, what the heck is this gonna look like, you know? But I wasn't even mad at it. I'm like, okay, artistic gal in the house, okay? So I'm just using a NYX jumbo pencil for, this is like the creamy base kind. I love it because it's really good for colored brows. If y'all want to see like a colored brow like video, just let me know, because I got a few different methods you can do. But yeah, I was cracking myself up because I'm like, what the heck is this, looking like Santa? Yeah, I'm just taking some blue eyeshadow out of the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, and then I put another shadow in the beginning of the brow because it was like super bright. So I'm like, let's tone that down a little bit. I mean, as toned down as it can get for blue. I mean, shoot, you know. So yeah, I'm just concealing, and then we just gonna do the rest of our face, honey. Okay, the blue brows was it. Like the blue brows really did something for me or whatever. You gonna see, sis. Like, oh my god. But yeah, everything that I'm using will be listed down below. After I just snatched my face, sis, you already know I gotta add the most poppin' lashes, period, from Beats by Deb Cosmetics. These are in the style bougie. That's what I was feeling. I was feeling very, very bougie at the moment. You feel me? Bougie. What the heck? Yeah, blue bougie. Yeah, pretty much. You feel me? Period. Okay? Period, poo. I just, oh my, oh my Lord. Feeling like an elf, like a princess elf or something. Like, I don't even know how to describe. Oh, I had to act up, y'all. Y'all know I did. Okay, whip it in, sis. Go. I'm dead. I love it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Enjoy this little dance break that I had to have with this hair, because baby, I'm feeling it. Let me know how y'all feel about them blue brows. Let me know how y'all feel about this blue, honey, okay?